Hello everyone, my name is Maddie Laveau. I first want to start off by apologizing for my late introduction and responses. I made a mistake and I thought that we had another week before the start of our course, which I realized we do not, so I do apologize for my late posts and that will not happen again in the future. So I am really excited to be enrolled in this course. I absolutely love learning new strategies for instructional technology in my teaching. I'm currently enrolled in the e-learning certificate program at Wilmington University. Right now I teach English and Language Arts in Washington Township. I earned my undergraduate degree from the College of New Jersey. Then I earned my master's in school counseling from Wilmington University. And I realized that I didn't want to go into school counseling, but I was interested in learning more about supervision and instruction and instructional technology. So I went on to get my supervisor certification from Rowan, and now I am in this program. Just a few fun things about me. I'm getting married in a couple months, so I'm excited about that. You can see a picture of me and my fiance and our dog Miles up in the right hand corner. In my free time, I really enjoy exploring, going hiking, so that other picture is a picture of my fiance and I at Arches National Park. So I'm really excited to get to know you all and learn from everyone in this course.